Alright, here comes the train. I'm gonna record from this side of the tracks. Time is currently 12:26. And we're getting lucky again, but I'm recording from the other side of the crossing. I've never got video from this side. So I figured I'd change that. Yep, where's the crossing? Big guys, it's just past midnight and we're getting lucky again. What a chance of this, guys. We're gonna see another one. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. A very short train. Our final train of the night. There it goes. A very short auto rack right there. Alright. Alright, guys. There goes our final train of the night. After this, we're definitely heading home 100% after this. But man, another train. I was not expecting to see another one. It was a very short auto rack though, so yeah. Alright, peace out.